Hey everybody, Carlo Wine here. How about another nitrous wiring video? Now I have the window switch. I just want to show, I guess, the basic scheme. Previously, now check this out. All right. We've got our switch, and I don't power it with 12 volts. I just have it go to ground. When you arm it, ground goes to just one terminal of the wide open throttle switch. I guess you would call that arm. Also, ground goes to the fuel pump relay, which is here. I have it unplugged right now. And when it's armed, this pump will be running. So it's running all the time that the switch is armed. One switch right here. One switch. There's also the purge. That's just a ground, and it's got 12 volts. Okay. Forget about the purge. Let's back to here. So we have our nitrous solenoids, fuel and nitrous. They're all run by one relay. That's activated by a ground. Okay. So there's the window switch. The MSD window switch. That's at the other end of the wide open throttle micro switch. Wide open throttle switch. None of this is active right now. So when you go wide open throttle, since the ground is here from your arming, if you don't have it armed, there's no ground here, so nothing will happen. So when you do want to shoot your nitrous, wide open throttle, nothing happens because the window switch is here. And it's not going to activate or send a signal to the nitrous solenoids until you're at whatever chips you have. We got 3,000 on, 6,600 off. So this guy is powered actually by the fuel pump power. Excuse me. So the ground to this is the wide open throttle switch, the ground to it. So it's active when you see 3,000 RPM. White is the RPM, so that's getting from the PCM RPM. Yellow is the ground, and yellow goes here to PCM pin red 56. That's the one that tells it to go to a timing retard table. It's a custom OS from EFI Live. Also, you can read that on HP tuners, and HP tuners will allow you to edit with that. So this goes to two places: the PCM red 56 for timing retard, and the nitrous solenoid turn on switch. This is a solid state relay. So here's the other end of it. This is a ground. This doesn't need to have a 12 volt to power the relay at solid state. So once this gets a ground, it's on. So nitrous, full power here from good robust battery to all the solenoids. Window switch is in there. I totally messed up the other day and forgot about this guy. But now it just needs to be tested, validated. I actually left a test connection here for the yellow wire window switch, and I can probe that and see if it has a ground. And anyway, wires got to be dressed, wires got to be labeled. Some terminations got to be fixed when I get some terminations, some good clips, and here's my schematic for the window switch. I'm going to provide this to the customer, a better drawing. This shows the window switch just inserted in between the nitrous relays. All right. Carl L-Wine Engines, take care. Walk around the shop. Here's what I did today, a nice little setup. ERE number 106. It's the twisted wedge heads. That's ready to ship. Working on my motor. It's a 40 over 383. And what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for push rods. I need 7.85 inch push rods. I only had 8. So push rods will be here probably Monday. And working on Ozzy and Sean's. And what I'm waiting on for this is some EFI connection 24X equipment. That'll be here Monday. Then I have La Bianco from Long Island. I got a motor here to double check, figure out if it's working good, or kind of give it an overview or a rebuild. I guess that's about it. Carl Elwine Engines. Take care.